Today classes biozoology, classification of animal based on breeding in nature. Seasonal breeders. Seasonal breeders surrounds continuous breeders. Organism which reproduced only during particular period of year. Season is only particular periods of year. Those organism dog, then deers. Then continuous breeders, organism which continue to reproductive throughout the sexual maturity. Human and rabbit. Rabbit is a family one of the mammals. Parthenogenesis. Uh, Parthenogenesis is nothing but without fertilization. The parthenogenesis is a no gamete production without fertilization process called parthenogenesis. Development of embryo from unfertilized egg. One more question. The parthenogenesis is unfertilized egg. Human being is a fertilized egg. The parthenogenesis discovered scientist Charles Punner, era passing 1745. This one more question. The parthenogenesis, two types of parthenogenesis: natural parthenogenesis, another one is the artificial parthenogenesis. Two types of parthenogenesis. The example of natural parthenogenesis occur in the life on organism. Again, classification type of natural parthenogenesis. First one is a complete parthenogenesis. Second one incomplete parthenogenesis. Third one pedogenetic parthenogenesis. The three type of natural parthenogenesis. The first detailed type of complete parthenogenesis phenomenon where the organism reproduces only by parthenogenesis. There is no biparental sexual reproduction. Bi means two parental sexual reproduction. Usually individuals have only female, no male or seen. The complete parthenogenesis process involved in only female. This one of the one more question. No male or seen. Example, in the slide diagram, the rotifer species. SP is nothing but species. It is also called obligate. Obligate is nothing but sularchi or sulalvatta parthenogenesis. Example, Ptillaria rotifers. Then incomplete parthenogenesis. Incomplete parthenogenesis is phenomena where is the organism reproduce both sexual reproduction and parthenogenesis. The incomplete parthenogenesis example queen. The slide diagram visible. It is called partial parthenogenesis. Partial means specific or oru pagudi. Example, honeybees fertilized egg develop into female. One more question, fertilized egg develop into female. Another one is unfertilized egg develop into male. This is not the one more question. The slide diagram, queen fertilized egg. Fertilized egg diploid nature. Diploid is nothing but 2n condition. Unfertilized egg haploid. Haploid means single n. The female offspring male. Offspring means young ones. Then queen bee 2n condition, diploid nature. Worker bee 2n, diploid nature. The drone only haploid nature, single n. This is called the incomplete parthenogenesis. The pedogenetic parthenogenesis. The parthenogenesis that occur the larva is called pedogenetics. Pedo means larva stage. Pedogenetics is nothing but larva stage. This only occur in the larva. Larva is the ilavuyiri. Parthenogenesis from the new larva. Example, sporocyst, redia is liver fluke. Liver fluke nothing but kalliral fluke. The diagram explanation the slide. Fasciola hepatica life cycle. Fasciola is a scientific name. Hepatic means liver. This life cycle involved in only human liver. Life cycle first human the diagram adult fasciola. Then N cyst nothing but the surrounding outer covering coat. The Meracidium is a larva. Very important one more question. The fasciola hepatica is a sporocyte and radial larva. the two-stage larva stage diagram. The merostidium, then another one is a sporocyst. A cyst nothing but immature sporozoid rupture. Then radial larva. Then another one is a cercaria. Another one is a incest metacercaria. The life cycle very important. Mnemonics S or C. S means sporozoid, R stadia, M is metacercaria, another one is cercaria. Life cycle mnemonics diagram. Artificial parthenogenesis. Artificial is nothing but human kind of process which unfertilized egg. Very important. This process unfertilized கருவுறா முட்டையிலிருந்து உருவாகின்றன. Develop into embryo physical or chemical stimulus. The artificial parthenogenesis, the biotechnological process, the humankind physical உடல் செயல் and chemical வேதியியல் process, artificial parthenogenesis. The factor like temperature, UV rays, certain chemicals like chloroform induced parthenogenesis. In the stimulation, the artificial parthenogenesis stimulation, UV rays, புறஊதா கதிர்கள், heat, temperature and chemicals, then chloroform can parthenogenesis involve. The diagram, the parthenogenesis in the Swiss polar cell. Polar means nothing but துருவ செல்கள், the X chromosome. Another double X chromosome. This diagram fertilized egg, tetrad nature. Classification of animals. Oviparous animals. Oviparous nothing but this oviparous produced ovum. The egg layers. Egg layers, the embryo development occurs inside the laid. Lay is nothing but வெளியிடுதல். Lay, egg laying animals and not the mother's body. Embryo nourished. Nourished nothing but nutrition. Nutrition, the yolk of egg. Example, oviparous. Then viviparous. Viviparous animals, embryonic development. Viviparous nothing but embryonic developments inside the mother body. Oviparous is nothing but outside. Viviparous is one of the embryonic inside body, mother body. Finally delivered as young one. Embryo nourished the mother through the placenta. The human being is one of the viviparous animals. Elephant is a viviparous animals. Another one is ovoviviparous. The ovoviviparous is the embryonic develop inside the egg, remaining mother of the body. The ready the catch. Catch nothing but வெளியொருதல், outside. Embryo no placenta connected, which is a mother but nourished from the yolk's egg. Nourishment nothing but nutrition, the embryonic stage. The first lesson finished, then second lesson continues.